When developing new technologies, one of the central issues is what benefits do they have for us? What then results is a technology which is customized precisely to meet the respective requirements. Flexibility is a very hackneyed word, but Trumpf has nevertheless made this its central principle. Technology should make working easier, more efficient, and more economic. The company is one of the world's market leaders for machine tools, sheet metal working, and in laser, punching, and bending technology. In Europe, Trumpf is undoubtedly the undisputed leader. Pasching, near Linz, is a location which has proved to be a driving force. Here in Upper Austria, we have the Competence Center for Bending Technology. Trumpf Maschinen Austria develops, designs, and produces hydraulic die bending presses for the TrueBend Series 5000, for automation solutions and bending tools. All in all, solutions which have enjoyed an excellent reputation in this branch for decades. Standardization and identical reproducibility are further success factors. The optimum creation of the palette of products and products furnished in line with customer specifications make it possible to fulfill every individual customer's requirements. The production of highly complex installations is taken care of, to some extent, automatically on the assembly line at Trumpf Maschinen Austria. At the Pasching location, 4 TrueBend press brakes leave the works every day. The precision tools are used to bend exact fit components. In addition to this, the intelligent automation solution Bend Master, together with press brake tools, are developed in Pasching, ready for worldwide distribution. This ensures that our customers have all the tried and tested Trumpf products coupled with individual customer care and service within reach at any time. A further factor behind Trumpf's success is the long-term, mutually appreciated, specific human resources policy. It is particularly important to the company that the staff are able to establish a broad basis of skills and that these skills can be implemented within the company in the long term. This is a clear win-win situation. Trumpf Maschinen Austria is one of the key locations in the international Trumpf Group. Consequently, as Europe's largest machine tool manufacturer, this evoked significant respect and distance to all other competitors. One interesting aspect, irrespective of this dynamic expansion in global markets, the Trumpf Group still regards itself as being a middle-class family business. This guarantees that top priority is always attributed to the most important factors: the proximity of the customer and the sensitivity to his needs and requirements. Constructing high-precision and highly flexible machine tools means creating sustainable values. The products from the international Trumpf Group and from Trumpf Maschinen Austria are well known for their long service life and their absolute reliability. It is ultimately the customer who determines whether a business model is of value or not. For this very reason, customer satisfaction is the purpose of the actual business. Thousands of satisfied Trumpf Maschinen Austria customers throughout the world speak this language clearly and fluently.